Look at this. Earlier, I used to fit into these clothes and they used to be really tight for me. I have lost full body fat and this is what I look like now. This is the before and this is the after. I am so happy. I want you all to experience the same happiness. So today I'm going to show you the same easy exercises which I did. They are tried and tested and they have such magnificent results for your full body fat loss. You are going to be so happy because these are completely beginner friendly exercises. There is no jumping, no running, no strenuous exercise. You can literally do it in the comfort of your own home. The best part, there is no equipment needed. It's not going to hurt your knees or your lower back. Now you will be able to do easy, simple moves to lose your full body fat and see amazing results. These exercises are so simple and so effective. They are literally going to affect your full body fat. And you will become just like me because I have lost weight around my chest area, my arm fat, my back fat, my hip fat, my thigh fat, my leg fat, and most importantly, my belly fat. Don't you want to become like me? If you do, just press a heart and share a heart comment with me in the comment section below. Also write and tell me which one is your target area, whether it is your belly fat, your hip fat, your thigh fat or your back fat, or you want to lose weight all over your body. So come on now friends, let's begin. It's time for your transformation. Let's give you amazing results. Let's go for the first exercise. It's super easy and simple. Just have to stand straight, keep your hands straight like this, twist it sideways and lift your knees like this. Well done. Let's move on to the second exercise. Well done. Now let's move on to the third exercise. It's very easy and super fun. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Well done. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Again, it's super easy and fun. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let me show you the most effective, simple and easy squat, which is going to affect your full body fat and make you sweat. This is excellent exercise, especially for women. You have to hold your toes and go down like this in the Namaskar position and hold it like this. Then touch your toes and come up. And again. Well done. Look at me, I'm sweating already. I had a fun time, and this is not sweat. This is actually my body fat saying bye-bye, I'm going. You might wonder how many times a day do you have to do this exercise to see amazing results? But if you're a complete beginner, then just do it once a day. If you have graduated from beginner to the intermediate level, then you can do it about once or twice a day. And if you've graduated to the advanced level, there is no limit over there. You can do it thrice, 4 times, any number of times you want. It only takes 10 minutes of your precious time and you will be in perfect shape. And to graduate from the beginner to the advanced level, you just need a couple of days. And if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program, then why don't you click on the link given below in the description and join my weight loss program, which is a comprehensive guide to losing weight and educating yourself about yourself and trying to understand how to fix your weight. And with this in your journey to support you, I also bring a doctor, a dietitian and a health counselor to support you throughout the way. And you will be given the diet according to your preferences, your meal timings and your taste buds. I have recipes for literally everything and a healthy version which is even tastier. So if you are looking to join a paid weight loss program, don't forget to click on the link given below. I thoroughly enjoyed making this video for all of you. Now I'm sure you all enjoyed watching it too. If you have, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.